Welcome to this week's craft. This week, we're going to make a cloud with rainbows. Let's get into it. You're going to need 2 cloud-shaped pieces of paper, a bunch of colorful string, a popsicle stick, a glue dot, and some glue. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take the string and sort it out so it's not so messy and so that you can find the colors quite easily. Now once you've sorted the strings by color, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is take each of the individual strings, fold them like this, wrap them around the popsicle stick, like so, tie them onto each other, then tug on the tie and make sure that it is secured to the popsicle stick. Now, the next step is to do that for every single one of the strands. It's a little bit time consuming, but once you're done with it, it's going to look great. Now that you have completed all the strands, it should look something like this. Now, the next step is to glue the cloud to the actual stick. Now, if you did it correctly, you should have some space at the edges of the stick. You're going to want to put the glue dot at those edges and place the clouds nicely on top of them. And remember to push down with force. You really want this cloud to stick to the stick. After the glue dot, you're going to take the glue stick and you're going to put it over the string in this manner. And then just place the cloud down and there you go. You have both sides done. Well, that's all for this week. Thanks for watching.